This tutorial will show you how you can design your own agent in Agent Cubes. First, you have to pick an agent and create it. The lower left corner is the plus agent button. Click on it and it will take you to your choice of agents. You can pick one that's inflatable, a cube, a sphere, a tile, a cylinder, whatever you want. I'm going to start with the inflatables because they're the most fun. You must enter a name for your agent. So if you just want to call it what the agent looks like, or if you're going to erase the whole agent and make it something else, name it something appropriate and have no spaces or any kind of characters. So I'm just going to name this one Bug and then click Save. Your agent will appear under your agents. Now, in order to edit it, double click right on the agent you want to edit. And here you have different things in your agent. Great. You can inflate an agent. If this is not the screen you see, you will probably see a screen that says More Tools, and make sure you click on More Tools. If you want to start from scratch with an agent, click on the garbage can. It will clear the agent out for you. Then you have a blank screen. A few things about the drawing your own agent. You have your drawing tools, your pencil tool, which draws. You have your eraser tool, which when you click erases. You have your paint bucket tool, which fills in any space. You have a selection tool where you can select part of an area. The primary ones you're going to be using are your paint tool and your eraser and your paint bucket tool. Another helpful thing is down here you have a way of when you can draw in mirror images. So when you click on the tool that the line is straight down, if you draw whatever you draw on the left side, let me pick a different color, is going to appear on the right side. So you can do mirror images when you're trying to create a character. That's the horizontal one. If you use the one down here, sorry, that's the vertical one. This is mirror horizontally. Click on it. When you draw, anything that you draw on the top appears on the bottom. Garbage can clears everything out. This one is called the quarter, I think they call it the quadrant mirror tool. Mirror horizontally and vertically. So watch, if I draw something here, it draws it in all four corners. I can take the paint bucket and fill the areas. If I want to inflate it, if this is a 3D tool, I can click on inflation and watch it inflate. Okay? You can also add noise, which makes your edges jaggedy or not, or you can smooth things out once you have some edges. Another way to look at your shape is down here. This tool right here, the circle with the 4 lines around it, will let you rotate so you can see it from all angles. You also can zoom out and zoom in, or move it up or move it down so you can see in all shapes. When you're happy with your agent, just click Save. So let's review. When you want to create your own agent, click on plus agent, choose one of the inflatable icons, or if you want to adjust an inflatable icon, you can do that as well. But if you want to, you choose an inflatable icon, name it yourself. I'm just going to name it Bug 2. Save it. Oops, I forgot, no spaces. But once you save it, when you double click on it, if you do not see this interface, you will see something that says More Tools. You can clear it and start creating your own agent. Remember, vertical, horizontal, or 4 quadrants. Now let's take a look at if you want to create an agent and just edit an existing agent. So just say I want to edit the butterfly. So I will call it butterfly and click Save. Once it is saved, I will double click on the butterfly, and I can, maybe I want to fill this color into a different color. I can pick a different color and make a different color. Now notice, it's in the quadrants, so whatever I do to one, I do to all. If you don't want that to happen and you want to do something on one side and not the other, go back to this circle. And if I added color here, notice it only added color here, not over here as well. But if I do want things to mirror, I can mirror or mirror. So just say I want to add some kind of design up here, but I want it to be on both sides. Watch, when I click my design of whatever I'm doing, it goes on both sides. If I don't like something in an agent, you can click on erase and watch. It will erase in both sides. Now notice it's not doing the bottom because I only have it down the line down the middle. If you pick the quadrant one and I do some erasing, it will erase in all 4 quadrants. So you can play with an existing shape as well. Remember, inflation makes it fatter or lower. Noise adds consistency, so this is good if you're doing like mountains or stuff. And we'll talk about the other things later. And that's how you create your own agents.